Hello students, how are you today? Hope you have enjoyed the Sunday. That's why I didn't post any video, so that your Sunday has not been engaged by your parents that ma'am has posted video, study. Now I am teaching you class 8 sound, amplitude, time period and frequency of vibration. To and from motion of a object is the frequency, oscillatory motion or vibration. To and fro motion क्या होगा? ये to और fro motion. यहाँ से from mean position it goes to extreme position, extreme to again mean, from here to here, extreme position, extreme to again mean, mean to again extreme, and again to mean position. This is to and fro motion. This is called vibration or oscillatory motion. Now comes frequency, number of oscillation per second. Suppose 1 second it will take from here to here to here to here, again here to here to here, again here. 2 oscillation it has taken in 1 second. Then frequency will be 2. It is measured in hertz. Hz you put it as a symbol and it is measured in hertz. Now what is amplitude? Amplitude is when it goes to extreme position, the extreme position here, from this to this is amplitude. Now what is time period? Time taken by oscillatory body to complete one oscillation. Suppose from here to here, here to here, here to here, here to again here. From mean to extreme, extreme to mean, mean to other side, and from other side to again mean. One oscillation is completed. Now the time taken by an oscillatory body to complete one oscillation is time period. Now loudness, what is loudness of any sound? The square of the amplitude is loudness. It is measured in dB, that is decibels. Now you take a, I am explaining here only. You take a tumbler, from here to here you take a thermocol ball and take from here to here. What is amplitude? This will be the amplitude. Strike it at the rim. Rim is the upper point. The sound will be different. Now strike it at the middle. The sound will be different. Strike it with a spoon at the rim. Sound will be different. Strike it with the spoon at the middle. Sound will be different. This is because the amplitude is different and the frequency is different. Now frequency determines the, you already know loudness. What is loudness? The square of the amplitude is loudness. It is measured in decibels, that is dB. Now what is the frequency? The shrillness or the pitch. The pitch I am talking. मेरी आवाज की तीखापन, shrillness. This is the frequency or the pitch. The girls' frequency are more. Their voice is shrill, where the boys' frequency are less shrill. Their frequency is less, where the girls' frequency is more. Now take an example of drum. I have told you about the girl and the boy frequency. Girl frequency is more than the boy's frequency. Now take a drum. Its frequency, pat it with a drumstick. Its frequency is less. As you take a comparatively you take a whistle, its frequency is more. The shrillness of the sound from the whistle is more than the sound you are patting with a drum. Now what is audible sound? Audible sound above 20,000 hertz and below 20 hertz. You are not able to audible. You are not able to listen the sound. Above 20 hertz, 20,000 hertz से ज़्यादा और 20 hertz से कम तुम सुन नहीं सकते हो. That is inaudible sound. And audible sound from 20 to 20 hertz. Limit is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. You can able to listen the sound. Now what is noise and music? Noise is what that is not pleasant to your ear. Suppose the horn sound, it is not pleasant to your ear. Loudspeaker sound, it is not pleasant to your ear. Now music. Now music is soothing. Music is always pleasant for your ear. कोई भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट जब भी बजता है तो आपके कानों में कितना सूदिंग लगता है. तो दैट इज सूदिंग म्यूजिक इज ऑलवेज प्लीजेंट टू योर साउंड. नाउ टू मच लाउड म्यूजिक इज ऑल्सो कम्स इन नॉइज. टू मच लाउड म्यूजिक, फॉर एग्जाम्पल द साउंड ऑफ अ लाउड स्पीकर, that is also comes under sound noise. Now what is noise pollution? The sound of horns, loudspeaker are all noise pollution. Now how can you avoid the noise pollution? You can plant the tree, plant the plants. You can plant the trees. By this you can avoid the sound. Or you can say you can avoid the horns etc. to avoid the sound. You can also avoid the loudspeaker so that the noise pollution can be avoided. Now sound chapter is finished. I'll take another chapter of. Now your feedback is important to us. You want more math session or science session? Tell me, I'll be with you. I'll help you out in maths as well as science. You tell me which subject you want the more. Thank you, students.